Would you like some beautiful dairy-free peach ice cream with no refined sugar? It's so good. You want a bite? I know you do. This is how we make it. Hey there, and welcome into Taylor Kitchen, where we show very busy people how to make very delicious food in very little time. And today we're making peach ice cream. I've been craving homemade peach ice cream. And if you've been around here for any length of time, you know I try to do everything dairy-free. And so this is gonna be a dairy-free peach ice cream, and it's gonna be done in my Ninja Creami. So you'll see how that works. And because I forgot to turn the camera on, I've made the base already. I've mixed it up. The base is a can of coconut milk, full fat coconut milk, a can of coconut cream, a tablespoon of vanilla. This made a double batch, and just a smidge of cardamom for that really alluring spice that people go, oh, that's a really nice spice in there, but they don't know what it is. That's cardamom. And then a couple tablespoons of agave nectar just for sweetness, because most of the sweetness we're going to rely on these peaches, and try to decide whether to peel them. Typically, if you're gonna peel a peach, it's nice to plunge them into boiling water for just a few seconds, and the skins come off very easily, but I did not do that. So I think we're gonna go with the skins for this purpose. But I'm just going to roughly chop them, because when you put them through the Ninja Creami, the end process is kind of breaking up additional fruits or the chocolate chips or whatever you put into your ice cream. That helps to break it up. So I'm just going to give these peaches a rough chop, and I'm using one peach right now. And there is my Ninja Creami bowl. Peaches go in. Okay, this is the max fill line on the Ninja Creami. So I'm going to give my ice cream base just another quick whisk, and I'm gonna fill it to the max fill line. Okay, and then all I need to do is cover and freeze it overnight. And tomorrow, I will show you how the Ninja Creami works and how delicious this dairy-free peach ice cream is gonna be. I can't wait. We're gonna use the Ninja Creami.
Nice.
Because this is the dairy-free peach ice cream that I made yesterday, and I froze it overnight. And all you need to do is you drop it in this canister.
You can set it gently too if you want.
You could do that.
You don't have to drop it.
And then you put the cap on. All we need to do is slide it in and give it a twist to lock it in place. And then I need to select, and this is full, so I'm going to press full. I need to select ice cream. Let's push this and it will do all the work for you. Okay, so it's done. I just need to press down the release button, pull it out, take off the top that has the blade. That's what creates the ice cream magic. And remove my canister that you can just refreeze after you use what you want.
Nice.
And to make scooping really easy, I put my ice cream scoop in hot water. Chef trick. And then we just give, oh, look at that. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Come on out of there, you. Okay, peach ice cream. All right, babe, here's yours.
Thank you so much.
You get a little spoon. We're being fancy around here. Would you like a sprig of mint?
I would not.
Just because it's so pretty.
Thank you so much.
So try it. Let me know what you think.
It's all part of my job,
It
folks.
is. He's the CTO. Chief tasting. Oh, look at that. Perfect scoop.
I like it.
A little sprig of mint in mine.
Yours can be the money shot.
Okay, mine will be the money shot. I got to taste.
Spoon in the big picture.
I am really happy with that. That's a good dairy-free
good
ice
ice cream.
cream.
Yeah.
It sure is. Okay, You got to check this out. This recipe will be on tkfoodie.com.